Narayan. Myself Kumudini Nalawade, Atmiya Green School, subjects GK. Right now, I think you are familiar with me. We have already taken 3 periods, right? So now, tell me, who likes to travel? There are holidays, Diwali holidays are declared by principal ma'am. I know there is corona situation, so before this year, in the Diwali or in summer vacation, you go for outing to visit any special city or anything. Do you want travel or want to stay at home and let get enjoy the vacations? Those who like to travel, so raise your hands, please. Fine. So, when you go anywhere, so where do you, first of all, tell me where you want to visit, I think you like most, that is to museum, to zoo, to see any monument, then beach, temple, any structure, whatever it may be. These are the places where we mostly visited. Okay, there is a special thing in that, so so many people visited that place, right now. So which place do you like most? Is it beach? Is it temple? It's a garden. Beautiful gardens are there, right now. Then monuments, museums, then statues, then there is a church also, temples also, famous temples are there, architectures examples are there, so many. So there everyone has their own choice, right? Some people likes to visit beach, some people likes to visit the temples. I think most of the students like to visit the garden so that you can play there most of fantastic games, right now. So there are so many monuments or the buildings and structures are there that give us the unique example of ancient we can say architecture or the art the people know at that time. Okay, their history or we can say their knowledge about mathematics, geometry, or yes, though it is the building structure, we can get knowledge about that people, buildings or from that things. Okay, see, um, in Bharuch also there are so many places. Till before, I think yesterday or the day before, Praveena ma'am have long virtual tour with you. Did you like so many so many murtis are there? Uh, it is beautiful, na? So you just like that virtual tour. So there are also in Bharuch so many temples are there. Swami Narayan temple, then Narmada Mata's temple, Gayatri Mata's temple. So many temples are there. Then our Golden Bridge is there, right now. So many famous places are famous for their something special in that. Okay. Now in this topic we also study about the famous landmarks. Okay, so what is meant by landmark? Can anyone tell me what is landmark? It is marking of land? No. Landmark means a famous structure or we can say famous building or iconic unique place because of their location, special architecture which would be great to visit and see that speciality. Okay. Now one by one we see the these landmarks, famous landmarks. Okay. So see the first one. Can anyone tell me what is it? It is Sanchi Stoop. It is situated located in the Madhya Pradesh, India. Okay, it is 46 kilometer from the capital of MP. So what is the which is the capital of MP? It's Bhopal. Okay, It is one of the oldest stone structure in India. It was originally commissioned by the Emperor Ashoka. Okay, when Ashoka visited that place, he married there with a lady named Devi. She is the daughter of a merchant. Okay, and he has give responsibility to build this structure to his wife. Okay, then their marriage is also their marriage is also happened at that city. Okay, it is a nucleus was a simple hemisphere brick structure built over the relics of Buddha. It was crowned by a chhatri. The Sanchi Stup built during the Maurya's period, made of bricks. Okay, this is the Great Stup, which is UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Okay, so many unique things are there. Okay, can you see this hemisphere structure? It is just like Chhatrina. So it is a oldest uh, stone structure in India. Okay, it is famous, and it is the place where the Buddhists and the monsters come here to preach the Buddha's streets. Okay, so in these stupas there is some symbols of Ashoka's Sarnath Mandir, and there I think lions. So many beautiful structures are on these stupas. Okay, now next, this is by only seeing in the picture you can see it is very beautiful, no? It is orange in color, and of course it is a bridge. Okay, so its name is Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Okay, so let's take the information about this bridge. It was the tallest and longest suspension bridge in the world. The bridge came to recognize as a symbol of the power and progress of USA. The bridge is orange in color, and at night it shines and reflects in water. It creates a very beautiful magical effect. Okay, this bridge is very beautiful, and it is the symbol of power and progress of the USA. Get it? Now next, third one. It is Westminster Abbey, London in UK. Okay, so see, it is beautiful, na? It is a very unique and beautiful church. So let's take the information about it. The magnificent and world famous building in India. Sorry, not in India, it is in England. Okay, most of the time in pictures you can see this, and in the news also you can see this church. It is the most important church. It is known as House of Kings. Okay, the abbey is packed with tablets, statues, inscription, and commemoration of kings, queens, knights, writers, actors, musicians, scientists. Okay, some persons are buried here, and including the poet writer Charles Dickens, then Rudyard Kipling. It is also the witness of numerous occasions, uh, numerous other occasions such as weddings, funerals, including the funerals of Diana and Prince Charles. So it is very ancient church, and here there are so many inscriptions and commemorations of the kings, queens, writers, poets, and it is so enormously large church. Okay, so next thing, it is the Arc de Triomphe in Paris, in France. Okay, it is the world's best monument. In the pictures, it is looking also beautiful, right? Na?